Thomas the Tank Engine is very weak. He was taking a bunch of freight cars to the docks to get loaded. Yeah. It was a long freight train. There were about 30 cars, maybe 9, I don't know. Suddenly, Percy arrived. He was delivering a message. Thomas, I have news that the bridge is broken. You must be careful. All right, Percy, said Thomas. But even knowing the warning, Thomas the Tank Engine set off. The long freight train clattering behind him. But he didn't see that the track was broken. Stop! And went right in there. Sir Topham Hatt was at the scene. What the heck do you think you were doing, Thomas? Going along this route, even though Percy told you that it was dangerous. No more cheesecakes for you tonight, Thomas. Aww, no fair. Now, someone like Molly or Murdoch or whoever whatsoever has to pull you out. You have caused confusion and delay. Soon, Murdoch arrived. Hey, you. Murdoch was going to try to pull away all the unhurt freight cars, which was basically all of them. It was very hard, especially since the freight cars. The brake van only had 2 wheels. Soon, Murdoch was rescued. Then, Rusty came to help pull Thomas out. And soon, Thomas was kind of back on the tracks. But he couldn't move. So, somehow, Percy came and decided he would pull him away. Push him. He was having a lot of trouble since Thomas was pretty heavy. But after a long time and no cheesecake for 5 months, Thomas was back on the tracks and he was able to move again. And he was very happy, especially since he could now eat cheesecake. The end.